Good morning students, my name is Kumari Neha and I am a teacher working at Bharathidhasanar Matric Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam, and today the topic I am going to take is matter. As you know that matter is a very small word but has a definite meaning, so let us get through the lesson. So first we will discuss about what exactly matter is, right students? So what is matter? Matter is anything which occupies space and has some kind of weight, right? In that there are many different types. In that first we will take the example of a solid, because solid is the first type of matter which is being classified. So for solid I am taking this stick. In this stick we are going to decide today what are the 4 major topics or 4 major classifications and why this is called a solid, right students? So first we will see the shape of the solid. Now this solid, when I am taking it, that time I can see that it is having a particular shape, that is you can call it as a rectangular or a cuboid, right students? So this cuboid, if I try to press it, can I press it? No, right? So that is why I can say that solids are incompressible. What is incompressible? Put how much pressure from up or you are putting it from the sides, you cannot change the shape of this particular thing, right students? Now the third thing is, if a solid is been taken, how many free surfaces it is having? So what is a free surface? Free surface means from which direction we can touch it and we can feel it. So we can feel it from up, sides and bottom, right? So we can say that solids are having how many free surfaces? It's having infinite number of free surfaces, right students? Now the fourth thing is that when we are taking a solid, if we are throwing the solid, will this flow? No, right? So we can say that solids are having a rigid shape and it cannot easily flow, but it can be heaved. So you can ask me, what is heaved, right? Whenever you are taking a powder or some kind of small particles and you throw it down, it will form a mountain shape. That mountain shape is called as heaved. Right students, I hope you understand what is solids. So let us come to the liquids. In the liquids I am taking this water bottle. This water bottle is a solid, but the liquid inside this is liquid, water, right. So first property of water we are taking as, water is having a definite volume, that is if we are putting this 10 ml of water in any other water bottle, it will be still 10 ml, right. But the shape, it will differ according to the shape of the instrument or the container, right students. Now come to the second topic. The second topic is nothing but number of free surfaces. Now in this free surface, if I pour down the water, now if just imagine I am opening the water bottle and I am trying to touch the water bottle or the water inside it, from how many sides I can touch the water? I cannot touch it from the sides or the bottom, right? I can touch it only from the upper side. That is why we can say that liquids are having only one free surface, right students? Now the third topic is the fluidity. See, first word fluidity means anything which can flow easily. So now I am taking this water bottle and I am tilting it a little bit. When I am tilting it, you can see that water is flowing from one corner to the another corner, right. So we can say that water is having high amount of fluidity, right. So now let us come to the third topic, which is gas. So for gas we are taking a empty polythene cover. In this empty polythene cover, when I fill air into it, you can see that the air have been coming to a square type of shape, right. Now this shape, if I put the pressure above this, the gas will leak from the upper side, right. So here we can say that a gas can have a perfect volume, but only if this particular thing, that is gas, is compressed and kept it. But if I am taking the water bottle, above you can see there is only air, right. Now this air I cannot measure it, but once I close this particular water bottle, I can measure how much amount or how much volume of air is present inside this water bottle, right students. Now third topic in this is that how many free surfaces it is having. So what is free surface? Already I told in case of solids and liquids, that we can touch them, right? Now just imagine air is all around. So can you feel the air? No, right? Unless until the air is very speed, for example storm. That time you can feel it, but right now when we are standing at a particular place where there is no flow of air, we cannot feel it. So that is why we can say that a gas is having zero number of free surfaces. And fourth point here is fluidity. Fluidity is what, students? Correct. It is flow. So now when I am taking this particular cover and I am blowing it inside, and when I release this, the gas from this inside is releasing out, that is, it is flowing, right students? So here we have discussed about the four major properties of solid, liquid and gases. I hope you have understood the topic, and for further we will meet you next class. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you.
So we from Bharathidhasanar Matric Higher Secondary School. We do have a nutrition department in our school. We ensure the students eat healthy foods, and we always